Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well and everything is going good. This is my second vlog on my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and share, and do let me know if anything is going wrong. And because I'm not professional in it, I'm just trying to give the view whatever I'm seeing. Nice place, nice people. This is amazing. Just have a look on it. Just have a look. Amazing. It's heaven. It's heaven. The I have no words to explain how it look alike, but in naked eyes you can see I'm trying to cover the most beautiful nature. Believe me, I have no words for this. I have no words. It's truly amazing place, and I love to show you these type of places. Kindly subscribe and share, so we will be connected. I would love to if you will give me replies that what I have to do and what I have to increase in it. And kindly guide me how to make more beautiful videos for this, because this is just a normal video. I'm not using any CapCut or any application. I'm just recording it through directly without any hesitation, just to know that I know I can find people who can understand how the first come are newcomers, or how the people were coming here. Because at the end, this is a love from you I will gather. You can see ducks are freely moving, with nobody disturbing them. Nice, quite amazing place. Peace, you can see the peace, but a lot of people around. We have to step ahead to show you how it will look alike from this place. It's an overview. I will share the location, so if anybody want to come here, so they would understand it, how to reach here. It's a university or maybe some school, something like that, because I can't understand their language. But yes, because kids are coming out from there. You can see a lot of kids at school. Just have an overview. Yes, it's a restaurant, maybe something, or not sure. Sorry if I say anything wrong. As I told you in your initial steps, you can't understand how to do and how you should. Yes, it's a restaurant, but there, that place, that was a school. Now we are going this way to see more, explore more, and find out how the people are living here. There are some steps, so we will go down and we will just go beside the lake, because it would be much better. Nice, cute, quiet, natural. All things are, it's a combination of beauty. Just have a look on it. Just have a look on it. It's natural. Natural. Everything is natural. Nice building structures. I believe this has a new one, but I like these type of structures. I don't know what type of the other people like, but yes, it's amazing place. We like it, especially I like it. Just for the overview. Now we are going back. I don't know about the more places here. Amazing places, amazing view, great combination. Yes, it's a restaurant. Sorry, whatever I told in that time. Yes, it's amazing. Amazing place. Now we are going this way to see the central area. Nice, quiet place. It's amazing. I cannot capture the real place, you know. I have no words to tell you that how it will work. Next time whenever I'm trying to do, I will try to find out how much or best I can do for you, because normally we can comparison with your naked eyes. Natural things are, there's no comparison of your eyes, but I will try to capture all my own camera to show you how it will and how it would be better, just because of your commands. If you help me in the comments and subscribe my channel, so it will be much better and easier for me to understand how I have to make these type of videos. Your suggestions are really beneficial for me. Please do let me know how I can increase video quality, my communication, and everything. Thank you. Bye. Take care.